Morning, Mandy. Thanks so much for joining me. So these are just here for something to look at because it's a bit of a talky video. So August is my birthday month. I'm a little bit like the Queen and I celebrate the whole entire month, not just the day. Now, it's rather a large birthday. This year I am going to be 21 plus experience. It is actually my 50th birthday. Okay, I've mentioned it before because I go on about my birthday quite a lot. I enjoy my birthday. I go on about it and I proper milk it. Okay, because it's, August is my month. I love it. It's a special, very special month to me. So to celebrate my birthday, and I've done this before, I like to give everybody a gift. Okay, so I go on about it a lot, but I like to give a gift as well to everybody. So what I'm doing today is I am going to be gifting just one, because I can't give gifts to you all. I'm not made of money. If I were, I'd give you all one. And what I'm going to do is give one person quite a special gift. Well, it's special in my mind. And I'm going to be giving one lucky winner from my YouTube subscribers a custom handmade journal by me. Okay. Now you might think, well, that's a bit rubbish, Amanda. Your journals aren't that good. Well, if you don't want a journal, you can have something else. Or one of my mini folios that I've been sharing. I don't have one here because I've sent them all out. Have a look on my channel. If you don't like journals, maybe I could make you one of the mini folios for you to put photographs in instead. It's up to you. You can pick a paper collection of your choice from my Ko-fi, and that is what I will use on your project. Okay, so I'll just share this card with you because I'm actually half thrilled with this card. This tutorial for this is on my channel and it folds flat and it's like a gift bag. How cool is this? And then this one's like floating. You've probably seen them before, but I have these on my shelf because I like them. Right, I'm getting distracted to do that. So what do you need to do to be in with a chance of winning? You need to be over 18. You need to be a subscriber, and I do check. When I draw the winners, I do check that they're subscribers. It is open to internationals, and there is a question for you to answer. And if you don't put the answer in the comments, then you don't get entered. So the question is, now I've told you that August is a super special month to me. I go on about it. I'm a bit of a drama queen because I love my birthday. Now my birthday is next week. I'm not going to give the exact... Do you think it's safe to give the exact date of your birthday out? I'm not going to give the exact date out. Am I? Oh, I will. It's the 22nd. So my birthday's on the 22nd. I was just thinking maybe scammers could use it to get in my email, but I don't use my birthday in any of my passwords because I'm not that stupid. So my birthday is on the 22nd. Now, what I need you to do is leave in the comments and tell me what else is very, very, very special. What other special occasion happened to me on the 22nd of August. Now, if you're one of my long-term friends or crafty followers, this should be easy for you. And, if you don't know, then, you can always cheat, I suppose, and look through the comments and see what the most popular answer is and put that. But there is another very special celebration on the 22nd of August, other than the fact that I was born. So what is that celebration that I have? It's like double bubble on my birthday. Let me know in the comments and you will be entered into the giveaway for a custom handmade journal. But it's only custom in as far as you have to pick one of the collections from what I've created. But there's quite a few on there. If you go on my Ko-fi and have a look, there's quite a few different ones. And if there really wasn't something that you liked, then we'll come to some kind of compromise, okay? So if you do win, then you'd need to, we'd have a chat and see what you wanted, and I'd make it specific for you. So it would be a one-off, custom-made journal or photo folio. So leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. I will draw the winner about a week's time from when you see this video, roughly. I'm not giving an exact date because sometimes I forget and I don't do it, and I always think people that don't do what they say look bad. So I'll say roughly a week you've got to enter. Okay, so keep your eyes out, because once I draw that name, if you don't contact me within 48 hours, it will pass over to one of my Facebook group members, and I will pick somebody at random and they will win it. All right, those are the rules of all my giveaways. Can I think of any more rules? No, I think that's it. So thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.